What's up, guys? This is Keon from Owl's Options Traders. I just wanted to give out a quick example on how we used VOLD or VOLD, whatever, to scalp SPX. So we're on the 3-minute chart on both of them, SPX and VOLD. Now, before we actually even use VOLD as an indicator, we wanted to see the key levels, right? So we saw that SPX kind of bounced off 43.63 and rejected 43.68, pushed it down. And so I wanted to see if this 3-minute candle ended up holding 43.63 for a bounce back to 43.68, but clearly it did not and pushed back down, right? Now there was a support here back at 43.60 exact, right? So 43.60.26. So we got back to the same spot, right? So, we're basically the same support. We were thinking, okay, well, it bounced here. Let's see if it can bounce here. It did not, right? Now, if we even go further back at 10:30, we saw that it held 43.56, okay? So we saw that it held 43.56 back at 10:30 a.m. And here we are again, right? 43.56. It was holding. Now, this is where we start to look at VOLD because it's holding here, but we want to find something that could maybe help our thesis on why we should go long, right? So let's say 14:30, that's 2:36 p.m., right? So 2:36 p.m. here and 2:36 p.m. here. We finally get a little bit of buying program, right? So there is more up and then down in the whole overall market, right? So we saw a little bit more buying program, right? And as we saw this, we saw that SPX was holding 43.56, and that's why we entered those 43.80 calls. Now, again, those contracts didn't move as much as we wanted to because they were out the money. But we still got over 50%, 60% on that trade. Anyway, as you can see here, the buying program has increased significantly since this bottom, right? And look at the SPX, it's following, right? Now, obviously, SPX didn't really follow through with VOLD, right? Because we did hit this resistance at around 43.68. So this was another support area back at almost 2 o'clock, right? So rejected, and now look at this, 43.63 back and held this support. So again, buying program starting to kick in, right? Because if we saw more selling here, I guarantee you SPX would have broken this support and maybe would have head back to 43.49. So again, first draw out your levels, find the support resistances, and to kind of, give your thesis a better chance, add VOLD to it, right? Because again, this is, how many stocks are, go up and down, right? So we did see buyers step in, SPX held this support and pushed higher. So hopefully that explained a little bit on how I use it. And again, don't rely just on one indicator. To be honest with you, levels are the best. These is just another thing to assist you on. Thanks for watching, guys.